Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing here of the Wintergreen Google Pixel 9, the non-Pro version. A few days ago, I did a Pro XL unboxing. At the end of this video, I'll do a side-by-side between that and this guy, size side-by-side. Alright, so just like the Pixel XL, this looks very, very similar. We'll come back to this in just a moment here. So we get a cable, and I believe that is it. Yeah, I believe it's just a cable. Aha, maybe there's more than just a cable. So you have the cable, and then we do have this. So this, I didn't see this last time with the XL. We still do get the SIM card ejector, so that is good. I thought they got rid of that, which seemed a little bit crazy. Then you also get the paperwork there as well. And of course, again, you get the cable. Again, not a whole lot of stuff in these boxes anymore, by any means. Go ahead and slide this on out of there. That is Wintergreen. It is a very light green. On the camera, it kind of looks like a white green. But I'd say just a very light colored green. It's very cool. See, I cannot tell if the sides are green or not. I would say the sides here have like a light hue to being green. Same with this thing right here. At least in this lighting, it looks like it has a slight hue. This the XL I have here is actually silver. So this definitely looks like it's a little bit green. So that is cool. So it has a big camera visor here, but it doesn't go all the way across anymore. This is definitely a little bit smaller than the XL. Of course, this is 6.3 inches compared to 6.8. So we have our speaker, USB Type-C, mic, our SIM card slot, volume rocker power button, another mic, I believe that's for the 5G, and nothing else. And then, of course, you have a front-facing camera there as well. This is a very, very cool color, though. I really do like this green. It's a very, very nice looking. I think the visor is just silver, but it's kind of reflecting the green there. So yeah, very, very nice looking phone. Again, we'll do a quick side by side here. So see, it is a decent amount smaller than my, this is hazel colored Pixel XL, 9XL, of course. And see, the visors are nice and big. I will say, I believe, very, very similar looking, but I believe the, don't quote me on this, but I believe the XL has an extra, or the Pros have an extra camera in there, it looks like. So I could be wrong, but I believe there's an extra camera in there. Anyway, side by side though, they are definitely a little bit smaller with the 9 than it is the XL. And the Pro non-XL, the same size as the regular 9. So yeah, there we go. Very nice color. I definitely recommend it. I wish they had this on this. But I opted for that hazel because they don't have the green on here. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.